Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing some bird hunting. It's around over there. Sorry, you can't see that because there's walls. And I'm using my cool gun, the Stoker X5, and we're going to be hunting right over there, right where my finger's wiggling. Okay, so let's see if we can get one. And there's tons of them right now. Hopefully I can get one, because I really want it. And then we can feed it to the pigs later on, so that'll be funny. Okay, I'm gonna set up my gun right there. I'm gonna set up right there. I just hit one. Nice.
You fall over?
No, well maybe. Oh shoot, what is that? Wait, oh, here he is.
Nice, he's still alive. Let's feed him to the pigs.
Feed him alive. We're gonna feed this bird alive. So that's basically what I like doing on my weekends.
Yeah. Ow, he's poking me.
See? Let's see that kill.
Yeah, that's awesome. He's still alive.
Okay, here, let's go.
Let's watch him die.
You're about to see something really graphic, so subscribe if you think this is really gross. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you later, guys.